Hello guys, today I will show you how to change WooCommerce language. So if you want to change WooCommerce language, there can be three situations where you want to do that. The first could be changing the front end store language. The second could be changing the WooCommerce dashboard language. And the third one could be creating multi-language WooCommerce store. So getting to the first scenario, that is changing the front end store language, we'll have to first of all log into WordPress and navigate to our WooCommerce website. Now, after this, in order to change the front end store language, you'll have to first of all scroll down on this page, click on settings, then make sure you're into general settings. Now scroll down and here you'll see the language section that says the site's primary language. You'll have to just click on the English or any of the language that will be chosen here. Now you can search for the language that you want to change to. For example, I'm going to choose Hindi. Now I'll click on apply changes. Now I will click on save settings. After I do this, it will instantly change my front end stores language to the language that I would have chosen in that specific area. So this is basically the site's primary language. You can also select it again, choose another language and click on apply changes and click on save settings at the top right. Now getting to the second scenario, that is changing the WooCommerce dashboard language. So this is the dashboard of WooCommerce. Now, if you want to change the language of this, you get the option to do that just at the right of this small text that says you can also modify your interface language in your profile. Click on this small link. It will take you up to your profile where you will be in your account settings, and here you'll have to scroll down and under interface language, you will see a language already been selected. You can click here and choose another language. Click on apply changes. Now this will reload your page and it will instantly change your dashboard's language to the language you would have chosen. As you can see, it is pretty easy to do that. Now as you can see, my dashboard language has been changed to Hindi. You can also select any kind of language you want. Just navigate to settings, navigate to general, click on this link. In the interface language, choose the language that you want and click on apply changes. Now getting to the third scenario, that is creating a multi-language WooCommerce store. That is a store that supports multiple languages, that makes it easier for people from different ethnicity or countries to navigate your site. In order to do that, navigate to your home, your dashboard, navigate to plugins, go to the search bar, type in translate, press, hit enter. Now, this is translate multilingual sites translate press plugin. You can translate your entire site directly from the front end and go multilingual by using this plugin. You'll have to just click on upgrade and activate, but you'll need a pro plan in order to get any plugin for your WooCommerce store. So make sure you have a pro plan, you have upgrade, and after that you can easily install this specific plugin and you can create a multi-language WooCommerce store easily. So these are the three ways through which you can change your WooCommerce language. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.